Hello guys, welcome to Sai Educational Academy. Today I am going to start a new subject that is called Digital Electronics and Microprocessor, which is also called as DEM. Yes, DEM is in the second year. It is like BEE. They are both are common. Yes. To get a good score in DEM subject, the first lesson is important. The first lesson is basic. So you have to learn the first lesson to get a scoring marks because the first lesson is full of problems. Problems are not like max problems, it is different. Yes, we will discuss it in further classes. Today I am going to say the first unit, first topic. The first unit is called as number system. The first unit is called as number system. And I am going to discuss about the first topic that is also number system. Yes. What is meant by number system? A number system used to represent numbers is known as number system. NS is number system. Okay. A system which is used to represent numbers is known as number system. If it is asked for 2 marks, what is meant by number system? You have to write this definition and types of number system. Let me discuss about the types. First, decimal. What is meant by decimal? Decimal means 10. We have already known 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Yes. Decimal is 10 values. Yes. Here also decimal is 10. You have known decimal is 10. Yes. You are right. But this is called as base. This is called as base. And it is also called as radix. It is also called as radix. It is also called as base or radix. Yes. But it will take from 0 to 9 values. It will take from 0 to 9 values. That means 0 to 9. It will take from 0 to 9 values. When we count from 0 to 9, it becomes 10. So, decimal consists of 10. That means base 10. The values are 0 to 9. Decimal consists of base 10 and values are 0 to 9. You have completed decimal. Okay. Let me go for binary. What is meant by binary? We have already known. Binary means 2. Base 2. That is 0 and 1. 0 and 1. What is the base of binary? Yes, it is 2. Base is also called as radix. Base is also called as radix. It is base 2. Yes. And then octal. What is meant by octal? Octal means base 8. Yes, base 8. Correct. Octal means base 8. Base is also called as radix. Base is also called as radix. Base 8 means it counts from 0 to 9. Sorry. Base 8 means it counts from 0 to 7. That means 0 to 7. Base is 8. But it counts from 0. When we count from 0, then base minus 1. Are you understanding my point? When we count from 0, then you will get base minus 1. That means 0 minus base minus 1. That means 0 minus 8 minus 1. That means 0 to 7. Yes, octal means base 7. Yes, octal means it starts from 0 to 7. That base is 8. Yes, that's it, the octal. What is meant by hexadecimal? Yes, hexadecimal means the base is 16. The base is 16. Yes, the base is 16. The base is also called as radix. The base is also called as radix. Yes, the base is 16. But, let me erase this. The base is 16 for octal. Yes. 0 to 9 values are numbers. 0 to 9 values are numbers. And from 10 to 15 are alphabets. From 10 to 15 are alphabets. I have already said 16 is the base. 16 is the base. Then I'll take 0 to 15 values because I'll count 0 also. Yes. From 0 to 9 are numbers. From 10 to 15 are alphabets. What are the alphabets? 10 is called as A. 10 is called as A. 11 is called as B. And 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, and 15 is called as F. Yes, this is about theory of number system. Yes, I'll say again, just recap it. Number system. What is meant by number system? A system used to represent numbers is known as number system. Yes, types of number system: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. If it is asked for 2 marks, just write the definition and types. Explain one definition for decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. Yes. What is meant by binary? Base 10. Base is also called as radix. Base is also called as radix. When we count from 0, then it is 0 to 9 values. Yes. And binary. Binary base is 2. So, 0 to 1. Right. Octal base is 8. But it counts from 0 to 7. Now, hexadecimal base is 16. But it counts from 0 to 15. This is about theory of number system. Let me say a definition for decimal. Then it is applicable for binary, octal and hexadecimal. Just change the numbers and base. Okay. Let me write the definition. Just copy this. It means decimal number system. Yes, I have already said. I'll just say the decimal number system. You have to write for binary, octal and hexadecimal. Yes. What is meant by decimal number system? You don't write the NS in the exam. Write the full definition like decimal number system. Okay. It means it takes 0 to 9 values. Therefore, base or radix of the binary number system is 10. It means it takes from 0 to 9 values. 0 to 9 values. The base and radix of decimal is 10. The base and radix of decimal is 10. Yes. Now, format of decimal number system. Format of decimal number system. Start from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 10 power 0 and dot. You have to mention the dot and then 10 power minus 1 and then 10 power minus 2. And you have to keep the dots here and dots here because it will exceed. Okay? And so on. And so on. Then MSD. MSD means most significant digit. Most significant digit. Now, examples of decimal. You can write any values here. You can write any values here, but the base should be 10. But the base should be 10. You can write any values. With dot or without dot, you can write anything. But the base should be 10. Yes. Let me convert it for binary. Just binary. Now 0 to 9. But the binary is 0, 1. Yes. And the base is 2. And change this as binary. Yes. Binary number system. It means it takes 0, 1. Yes. Values. Therefore, base or radix of binary number system is 2. Now, you have to change this like 2 power 5, 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1 and 2 power 0 and dot 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2 and so on. Now, example you have to change. You have to write like 1, 0, 1, 1 and 2. You have to take only these values because binary means 0 and 1. You have to take 1 or 0 and the base should be 2. This is about binary. Let me talk about octal. Octal is also same. Let me discuss about hexadecimal, which is different. Okay. Note down this. I'll say about octal. Means means it takes 0 to 7 values. Therefore base 6 or radix of octal is 8. Now this is same as decimal and binary. Let me take an example and say you will do the mistake here. Yes, 127 base 8, it is acceptable, and 1.27 base 8, it is also acceptable. But 8.88 base 8, 8.88 base 8, it is wrong. It is wrong. Okay, because we have taken 0 to 7 values itself, not the base 8 value. So you should not write base 8. Sorry, you should not write the values more than 7. Okay, you should not write the values more than 7. It is considered as wrong. You can write the values less than or equal to 7. Less than or equal to 7, not more than 7. This is the important point in octal. Okay, write this. I'll say about hexadecimal. Hexadecimal, it means it takes 0 to 16 values, same as binary, decimal and octal values. 0 to 9 are numbers, I have discussed before. Do you get my point? 0 to 9 values are numbers, and 10 to 15 are alphabets. There are 10 is equal to A, 11 is equal to B, 12 is equal to C, 13 is equal to D, 14 is equal to E, 15 is equal to F. 15 is equal to F. And base, therefore the base is 16. Therefore the base is 16. And you have to write the format like this. You have seen in the before this. Now, example 1AD. A is called as 10. B is called as 13. And you can write with numbers, mentioning the dot, and you can write the alphabets too. So I have given with dot and without dot. You can write with numbers, either in numbers from 0 to 9 only. Okay, you can write the alphabets up to F only, not more than F, like G, H, I, J. No, it is not considered. Okay, the numbers from A to F and the alphabets from A to F and numbers from 0 to 9. This is about hexadecimal, octal, binary and decimal. If you have any doubts, you please comment me in the comment section. I'll just reply to your comments. And in further classes, I'm going to discuss about the problems. Problems are not like maths. It is completely different. Like converting binary to decimal, decimal to binary, octal to hexadecimal. So that you have to see the further classes also, because in all the JNT or other subjects or universities, they'll ask the problems. In my SEM exam also, I got the problem only. So, to know about the problems, you have to know this theory. Because of that, I am teaching this theory. Please learn this theory. I'll post the problems also. Okay, that's it.